Hello dear students, today's session we will study about addition of 4-digit numbers with the carryover. Okay, addition of 4-digit numbers with the carryover. Okay, that means when we add numbers, when the sum of these numbers will be more than 10. Then you have to take 1 here or 2 here. Okay, like that. Okay, so that is called a carryover. Okay, so that kind of numbers, how can we add the numbers but with the carryover? Okay, so just take an example. Add 3875 and 4365. Okay, so what we have to do, first we have to write the first number. Okay, so we know that how can we write 3 8 7 5. Okay, so and this number 4365. Okay, starting from the ones place, that is better. 5, then what is 6, then 3 and 4. Okay, so we know that what are the place of these numbers, isn't it? So this number is on which place? Ones place, and this is on which place? Tens place, and this on which place? 100 place, and this on what which place? That is what a thousands place. Okay, so I'm going to add this number. Okay, so what you'll get okay, so 5 plus 5 is what? 5 plus 5 is what? 10. Okay, 10. Then 10 we are getting means what? If you are getting 10, that means it is below. If it is a below 10 means you can simply write that number. But if it is 10 or more than 10, what you have to do it is take the last number. Okay, that number we have to write here, and this number it's become the what? Carryover. Okay, so we have to put a 0 here and put 1 on here. Okay, understand, this is called the carryover. 1 is the carryover here. Okay, so 5 plus 5 10 0 we are writing, and this number is carryover. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to add 7 plus 6. Okay, so 7 plus 6 is what? 1 is carryover here, so we have to add that number too. Okay, so 7 plus 6, 7, after 7 we have to write count. Okay, 7 plus 6, so 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 1 is what? 14 we are getting. 4 we have to write here, then 1 is what? This 1 is what? Carry over to this place. Okay, then we can add. Okay, then what is 8 plus 3? 8 plus 3 is what? 8 9 10 11, and the carry over 1 is there, then it become 12. Okay, then 12 means 2 you have to write here, and 1 will become the carry over. Okay, 1 is the carry over. Then 4 plus 3 is what? 7 plus 1 8, so 8 2 4 0, this is the answer. So how can we add these numbers? You understand, when we add the numbers, if you are getting a number with what is equal to 10 or more than 10, we have to do like that way. Take this number, put here, and this number, left side number will come with the carry over. Okay, take one more example. Okay, to add 4 2 7 8 and 2 9 3 8. Okay, this is a number. Add this number. Okay, first what you have to do, write this number 4 2 2 7 8. Okay, then 2 9 3 8. Okay, then we have to add. Okay, so this is 1 10 100, and this is what? 1000. Okay, so what? 8 plus 8, what is 8 plus 8? 8 after 8 we need to count 8 more, so that means 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 you are getting, that means 1 6. What is the rule? This one, ones place number we have to write, that means 6 here, 1 is the carryover, so 1 will come here. Okay, 1 will come here. Okay, then 7 plus 3 is what? 7 8 9 10, 1 we need to add. Okay, and what will say answer? 10 plus 1 11. Okay, then 1 we have to write here. Okay, 11 means 1 we have to write here and 1 will come here. Okay, 1 is the carry over. 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11, and 1 carry over is 1 is there. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 1, 12. Then 2 we have to write here and 1 is the carry over. 4 plus 2, 6, 5, 6, and 1 is carry over here. That means 6 plus 1 is what? 7. Okay, then what is the answer? 7, 2, 1, 6. This is our answer. So this is the way we have to add 4-digit number. Okay, this is having carry over. When we add two 4-digit numbers, if it is having carry over, we need to focus this kind of thing. So that's all for today. And the remaining words I will explain in WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.